Our clinicians who utilize Qbtech have the ability to consult with, trained clinicians, by education, by licensure, to be able to consult on those cases, to review the data together, to have this really extensive, thorough level of clinical support is what really sets Qbtech apart.
So we have a calendar that is my entire day. They have access to me, and we go through all of their cases with them. We're able to do interpretations. Again, we're drawing upon our time as clinicians ourselves. So walking through differential diagnosis, talking about other complexities that could be going on. And then we also have the IT kind of admin support side where we're helping them with logins or find reports and just keeping the clinic itself running, really the other piece of it.
They come to the practice to install the equipment, provide all training, and then also provide support through the life of the service with that customer so that they can feel every single time they use Qbtech, they're doing it the right way and they're highly confident in the decisions that result from it.
The feedback that we get from clients is that they love that there is Qbtech technology for every aspect of how they do business. So whether it's in clinic or whether it's remote, they love the flexibility. But the most important niche piece that we get to offer is the fact that our clinical advisors are such a fantastic support system. It's a unique face, it's a fresh perspective. A lot of our clinicians report feeling like their clinical advisor is just an extension of their team and their clinic, and we love hearing that.
Just that level of care. I've had clinicians actually tell me that they consider their clinical advisor an extension of their practice, and I think that is just the biggest compliment that a clinical advisor can get, is that they really view us as an integral part of their practice.